Hello guys, welcome to the in-depth review of the Chuwi Hi10 X1, a compact Windows tablet that packs impressive features into a affordable package. In this video we will go through every aspect of this device, from unboxing, design and specifications to performance to real use in everyday tasks. If you are looking for affordable, portable and a powerful tablet that doubles as a mini laptop, stay tuned and find out everything you need to know about this Chuwi Hi10 X1. When we open the Hi10 X1 box, the first thing we notice is the elegant design of this device. The package also includes 12 volts 3 amps AC adapter and user manual and a warranty card. If you choose the extended package, you also receive elegant and a practical keyboard that allows comfortable typing. A very well made protective case with a kickstand which improves ergonomics when working. Right from the first touch, it's clear that Chuwi has put a lot of effort in making this model. The case is made of aluminum, which gives a premium feel and added strength. Despite being slightly heavier than the average Android tablet, this additionally ensures device durability. The tablet is 10.1 mm thick and weighs 610 grams. When you add the keyboard and the case, the total weight comes to about 1 kg, which is still very compact for a device of this class. On the back as well as on the sides there are ventilation grills that enable better heat dissipation, which is useful when working for longer on more intensive tasks. The screen is a 10.1-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels at an aspect ratio of 16:10. Although the resolution is not the highest on the market, the screen offers good contrast, decent brightness and solid viewing angles. Although the screen has a native resolution of 1280 by 800, the Chuwi Hi10 X1 allows you to play YouTube videos up to 4K resolution. Thanks to advanced scaling and a well-optimized display, even high-resolution content looks sharp and detailed. The colors remain vivid and the contrast is solid, which makes it pleasant to watch movies, series and other multimedia content. Also, the fluidity of the display remains stable without significant slowdowns, which adds to the overall viewing pleasure. For even more precise use, you can use the stylus pen, which enables smooth writing and drawing on the screen. One of the key advantages of the Hi10 X1 is a magnetic keyboard that easily connects to the device using a pogo pin connector. Just bring the keyboard a little closer to the tablet and it's automatically connected and it's ready to use. The keyboard is quite good for typing, especially considering the portable design of the device. The keys are soft and pleasant to touch, and although they are slightly smaller, it is easy to get used to them over time. After typing for a long time, you can feel a slightly fatigue in your fingers, but overall the experience is quite decent for a device of this size. The touchpad is large enough to comfortably use and supports multiple gestures in the Windows 11 environment, such as a pinch to zoom and two-finger scrolling. Actually is good and the surface is smooth, which allows the two fingers to glide smoothly without stopping. Although it's not at the level of premium laptops, The combination of the keyboard and the touchpad makes working on this device very practical, especially in situations when you don't have an external mouse at the hand. The Chuwi Hi10 X1 offers a rich selection of ports, which makes it significantly more flexible than the most tablets on the market. So on the one side we have USB-C 2.0 port for charging and data transfer, full-featured USB-C port, micro HDMI port for connecting external monitor. On the opposite side we have one USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 port and a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones. Indeed, more than enough ports on such a compact tablet. In addition, this device supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, which ensures a fast and stable wireless connection. Chuwi Hi10 X1 runs on the Windows 11 Home and comes with the Intel Alder Lake 12 Gen N100 processor with 4 cores and 4 threads, paired with the 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and there is also a 256GB SSD, delivering lightning-fast data transfers, quicker load times, and a smoother overall performance. Although this is not a high-end configuration, the performance is more than sufficient for everyday tasks such as browsing the internet and working in browsers with multiple open tabs, use the Office package, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, video calls and via Zoom and Microsoft Teams, multimedia playback like YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, easy photo editing in Photoshop or Lightroom. Thanks to the built-in Intel UHD graphics of a 12th generation, it is possible to run even older or less demanding games. Also popular games with the younger generation like games Minecraft or Roblox run quite smoothly, with only occasional frame rate drops when the many effects appear on the screen at once. Although the graphic quality is not at the highest level, it is not too noticeable on a relatively small screen. For performing daily tasks and occasional gaming, this tablet is a very pleasant and a practical choice. Considering its compact design, the device comes with a 3400 mAh battery, which is quite enough for basic daily tasks. With fast charging via USB Type-C port, you can easily recharge it and continue working without too many interruptions. Finally, the front and the rear cameras are worth mentioning. The 8MP autofocus rear camera is suitable for capturing general images while on the go, and the 5MP front-facing camera is ideal for online meetings. The Chuwi Hi10 X1 is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable yet capable Windows tablet. Its advantages include great design and sturdy aluminum constructions, bright and clear 10.1-inch IPS display, plenty of ports including USB-C, USB-A and HDMI, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast connectivity, compact keyboard and support for stylus pen, solid performance for casual gaming and excellent value for money. Of course, the device has some limitations such as limited storage space and a basic graphic performance, but in this price range it's difficult to find a better option. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile tablet that can also serve as a mini laptop, the Chuwi Hi10 X1 is definitely a device worth considering. Official sale links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of the current promotional pricing, but act quickly as quantities are limited. Grab your Chuwi Hi10 X1 today while there is a chance. That's all for now. We'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.